We are recording this now, I think. This is proof. Microphone's on. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it's recording, Ren. Pretty cool. Okay, 85 megabytes. Holy cow, Codex might have done it. That would be pretty incredible. Are you dumping that? Oh my gosh. So I'm recording 397 on the watch, which that should come through here in a second. There it is. 397 on the watch is going on right now. 11:51 a.m. So cool. Sick. You want to read books? Okay, if we're going to read books, that means all done water table. Do you want to play in the water table a little bit more before we're done? I don't know what newer and return to live mean, and I don't like them. Because I already have return to latest, so I'm just not sure what that means. Getting up to 98 megabytes. Phone's getting a little warm. 86. Okay, it comes back down. I don't know if there's some cleanup going on. Pretty cool. Oh, it moves some of the old transcription out of memory. Hey, Ren, no? I don't feel like we should have to do that. But I'm curious about understanding why first. You want Dad to sit there? You want Oath? Oh, I'm sorry. Oath's not here right now. Hey, buddy, did you close it? Closed. Doing some more water table time? Do you want this? Mama's working on some school stuff right now, buddy. Dada's playing with Rennie out here. So yesterday I was talking with TJ Ren, and we were talking about a cash register at 12 zeros. We could call that 12 o'clock. And 12 zeros could be represented by just 0, or no. Maybe 0 is the only one that has like a specific amount of zeros that actually correlate to an address, and that would be the cash register. And that holds all the money. You can send money and you can attempt to withdraw money, and you can also, if you send money to the cash register, you can pick out something from the vending machine. And then we also said it'd be funny if you could just talk to an LLM. If we made a computer out of LLMs. I'll have to bring up the recording. It's a little silly, but I think some of the ideas are interesting. You basically visit a URL at our website, and that is the software. You're talking to an LLM-enabled counter or calculator, etc. And this transcription is just garbage. It needs to be, the audio chunks need to be retranscribed by Parakeet on my laptop, or we need to use a better transcription model locally here, which I think we may be close to getting to the point of using. Google's Gemma 4B L51 something or rather. Let's see, it's over here. Edge Eloquent, an Edge Gallery. Oh, thank you, Ren. Audio Scribe, Gemma 4 E2B-IT. It supports text input with up to 32,000 context length. One clip 30 seconds long, so that may be problematic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just ended recording 59, and it has a bunch of text that isn't showing. The last 2 segments are showing, but all the images are not showing. Will Scribe Dev record here? Pretty cool. Okay, 85 megabytes. The audio file actually was saved, so that's nice. That should copy into here. Anyway, it ended and I couldn't resume the audio after opening Scribe from, what's it called? You want the fan? Okay. Here you go, buddy. Here, I'll bring this over here. More fan? More fan there, Ren? Okay, perfect. The recording that's going on, the screen recording actually is capturing this too. Just go, again, I'm on watch recording 397. So anyway, the cash register, the 12 bits, I don't know why I picked 12 disciples, 12 bits. It seems like 12 bits should be enough to express a lot of things, and those 12 bits can be interpreted differently depending on what we want to do. So they could be instructions, they could be go around. They could be references to other data. But do you want me to move that off the wall? Buddy? Let's see. Well, this is now officially streaming my audio and not blowing up, so I'm very excited. ChatGPT did this, Codex Sol 5.6 Extra Ultra. I've been slamming it at this problem for 3 to 4 weeks now, Ren? How long has it been? I mean, I've been working on this problem for a long time. I also don't know what library L4 means. And I'm not sure if the media is synchronizing and playback isn't quite working yet. Remote observation I don't think is quite working yet. But this is progress. It's very exciting. So we talked about a counter. Can you spell count? Maybe P by ID, find program by ID, and then pass P, BY, ID is 5, and then you have 7 characters to describe the program. Maybe do we give ourselves 2 bytes to describe our IDs? Ren, do you like this up here? I don't know what newer and return to live mean. I don't like those. Isn't that cool? Got to move your shade over a little bit. She's going to move you. Can't move the shade much more. Perfect. Okay. So then you can describe things. P by ID. And that's a program by ID. And then D by ID is data. References data. And then the data will have to describe how it's laid out. It'll have to be self-describing data. You want me to hold that? Good job, Ren. That's great balance. Testing live, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it says return to live, but then there's nothing newer. So I don't know what's going on here. We're at 92 megabytes. Screen recording on the system. I'll have to kind of go through the conversation with TJ. I don't know what got recorded and what didn't. So some of it might just have to be from memory. But then we talked about what documentation should look like. And I talked about the agentic benchmark for following instructions. that had cryptocurrency attached. So basically I want that to be such that you deposit cryptocurrency into the system and you can withdraw the cryptocurrency into the system, out of the system, but also that gets you a ticket to interact with the system. And your balance is always visible. And you can set up alerts for spending if you spend too much. You can set up minimum, maximum requirements. If this software ever cost me more than $3 an hour, throw up an alert and stop all my payments. And then it's like, okay, cool. Here's what will stop working. And here's how you can continue it for free. You want to pull that off? But at first it's just the agentic instruction following system. So it's kind of like the ramp interview where there's just I mean, who hasn't done the ramp interview at this point? Thank you, sir. Wow, Ren, that's really cool. We're crawling, but we're still moving. Oops. And this is what's shown overall, an overarching arc on the watch. My phone's gonna die, it's getting so hot. Is there a moo on there? A squirrel? Is that a squirrel? Duck. Is that a duck? Stairs with your special ducky. Another one going under and recording 397 on the watch. We're debugging. App is performing pretty well for recording. It's pretty buttery smooth. Just a little, it makes the phone hot. And so I don't know if that's the transcription. I think the next thing I could do is add in device hosted transcription, which should offload some of that neural capability. But that needs to kick back into play if you go offline, and it needs to do that dynamically. So that's a little bit of complication that I'm not sure I want to add immediately, but that this would go into the issues. What do you think, Ren? TJ and I were talking about documenting software. How should we document the evolution of software and the establishment of software itself? Oh, careful. Nicely done. Let's see. I can bring this around. Hold on, let me fix this real quick, Ren. Here you go, buddy. Sorry about that. And that's plenty of slack here. There you go. Are you watering the plants? That's really nice, Ren. I just love the millisecond timestamp on this side here. Or screenshot's not showing in full screen? Full screen? What happened here? Testing? Oh. It just stopped. I think it may have overheated. Let's see, loading save transcript shouldn't show when we're first starting a record. And oh, we're overheated, I think. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Phone's pretty hot at this point. I think device temperature should go in our debugging overlay menu. Yep. She's toast. Looks like we have a couple of recordings in voice memos. Oh, the whole neural engine is fucked. Look at that. Okay, so it's not just me, but my thing did make the phone hot. Did you spray your nose? Come here, baby. That's okay. Did it go up your nose? You want a bowl? Where is your bowl? There's your bowl. Here you go, buddy.